Duck. Duck, duck.
Goose.
Another one down and no one here to save you. Whatever will we do if no one gets here before you all die? I'll see you in an hour.
There's the SWAT team and medical professionals outside. Come on, get up there as fast as you can.
I wondered if I'd get to see you today.
Stand down. The whole building is surrounded.
I'm sure it is.
Let them go.
In your dreams.
You have nowhere left to run to.
That's what you think.
Let them go. We'll go easier on you if you let them get out alive.
Are you an idiot? I've already killed 4. What's one more dead body?
Kill them and you die.
Save them and the whole city dies.
You're bluffing.
I love your optimism. To think you're so pointedly unaware.
What is that?
Make one move and I will press the button. The whole city will be sunk, flooded, Atlantis. One press of this button and boom! Bye, bye, bye to the water barrier.
You're insane.
That's what they all say. But with all due respect, Mother Nature is above insanity. She's above reason. She just is. Your fault.